Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to help you see better in your JL when your doors are off. If you like to take the doors off of your JL or JK Wrangler and want to be able to see behind you, today we're going to be installing these Kentrol Outback mirrors in the black finish onto our 2018 JL Wrangler. These Kentrol Outback mirrors are constructed of a durable T304 stainless steel construction. They have a black powder coat finish and even black hardware to match. They're going to fit all 07 to 18 JKs as well as your brand new 2018 JL. They have a squared mirror design that gives you a ton of vision in the rear of your Jeep. With that being said, let's get them installed and see how they look. What we're going to do to start this installation is to put this rod into our upper hinge here. We're going to put some hardware on it and then a sleeve. Let's get started. Now what you're going to do is grab the metal washer first, slide it over the stud, then grab one of the nylon washers, slide the spacer in, and you can set it into the hinge. Now underneath you're going to put the nylon washer on first, then your metal washer, and then the included lock nut. Use a 14mm wrench to get this tightened up. What you're going to do is pull the hardware off of the back, grab this nut as well as your lock washer, and you're going to place it onto the stud. Put the lock washer back on and the nut. This is going to use a 13mm wrench to get tight. Go ahead and sit inside your Jeep with the seat adjusted the way you'd normally sit. Now you're going to adjust your mirror so you can perfectly see in the rear view. Repeat the same process on the other side and that'll complete your installation. We just wrapped up the installation of these Kentrol Outback mirrors onto our 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Now obviously these will fit your JK as well, however they are a perfect fit for the JL Wrangler, plus they make seeing behind you a ton easier than it used to be. This will keep you legal in states that you need to have a mirror on the side. Now you can find these mirrors as well as many other great parts for your brand new JL or JK Wrangler right here at cjponyparts.com.